Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo C20 Commerce Plus. This vehicle comes fitted with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 102 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the solid paint colour candy white. Down below, the Caddy sits on 15-inch black steel wheels, as well as coming with a full wheel trim cover set. A full steel spare wheel is also provided. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, towards the rear of the vehicle, the Caddy comes with a rear view reversing camera located just above the rear number plate. Also helping you when parking and manoeuvring is a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look into the rear load area of the Caddy, we can see it comes in a factory fresh condition thanks to the delivery miles on the vehicle. There are a few lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor, and access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. There's a step on the side for easy access, and a full black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up front in the cab itself, there is an ergo comfort seat for the driver with some lumbar support, as well as a armrest for the driver's seat. Between both seats there is a 230 volt inverter with an outlet for a 3-pin UK plug socket. Both of the seats come finished in a black fabric upholstery with plenty of leg space on either side. And for entertainment, in the centre of the dash we have an 8.25-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to connect their smartphone device to the system using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Users can also connect with a Bluetooth feature. Just beneath the touchscreen there are 2 touch buttons useful for accessing the parking assist or the climate control settings, 2 USB Type-C charging points down below, as well as 2 drinks holders in the middle. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.